How to add collaboration in Instagram after posting. So let's get started. First of all, open up Instagram in your device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now from this home page, navigate to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Now once you get to your profile page, scroll down a bit and navigate to that specific post where you want to add the collaboration after you have already posted. Suppose I have this post right here. Now to add collaborators, from this post navigate to three dots icon from the top right corner and then tap on edit. Once you get to your edit page, in under your profile name, there you will find an option as add paid partnership label. So tap on it. After you tap on it, you will have to turn on the toggle that says add paid partnership label, and after you do that, you will get more option to add collaboration in Instagram. But if you are not able to find that option that says add paid partnership label, here's what you can do it. Close this interface and navigate to your profile page. From here, tap on three line icon. Now once you get to settings and activity page, scroll down and then tap on help from more info and support section. From here you have to report a problem. For that, tap on report a problem and then tap on report problem without seeking. Now if you like to include complete logs and diagnosis, tap on include and continue, or simply tap on don't include and continue. After that, you will find a small text box in your interface where you can type in your problem. You can say that you can add a collaboration to your Instagram post after you have posted it, and you can also say that you don't want to delete the post and repost it again, so please resolve the issue as soon as possible. And once you send your report to Instagram Center will help you back to resolve the issue, and you will have that add paid partnership label in your Instagram post so that you can add collaboration in Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.